Abusha for Ebraso. It's time for Legal Matters. This is DJ KB Musumfo, Top Online Radio UK. Mejidis Ubiahoye. And so a Wednesday, Bim, Yamiautum, and our channel Ako, a pro Assam between. That's what in Quamudia, the Asida, Emma, or dear. Na, we say, it's trained to ya, Yenya Cheswa. That's what I come to me, dear. Senate Bia and Kratasem. And them ransom who be here in tea, commodity, the Bibia, Ebetuaso. WISEMART solicitors at Daroma. I, Nesso, and ya lawyer Francis, Ewaha. I, Ebetua, and Commodino. So, Senamunim debia update Bia Abba, near Ba, Ewo Liga, Arena Hono. WISEMART for the Omonfan Kame, I, Ebetuaso. Na sine de bia no we free legal hour, free legal consultation time. Mr. Ubetimi afre ebisa any legal question bia wo no seek any advice bia wo during this 1 hour. You free, Mr. Na emom se upon dia enye free. Se upon dia na so person ho lawyer. Say appointment for consultation. Pacho eno de enye free nti baby a ye free ne samre ya me no edinko ekasai this 1 hour dey enemy nti the number is on your screen 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. Emran Sembia Nkrata Sembia opeso bisa no betimi afre no bisa. We are streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. Ubitimete or toponlinestation.com, where you can download our free radio mobile app. And every cranty, Yebeshasi, and Sebrekra. So send no questions, so Abia mobile no so. You can type your question in the Facebook comment section Facebook comment section na mekai na lawyer waha oyi ano amount. Yo, welcome to Legal Matters. Lawyer Francis, Bacho Apom Design, WISEMART. So,
yeah, Namiadum, WISEMART, assure you, Pibia Danidi.
Lawyer Wisdom Show.
Say, and then so when you're Abekaya home. In Chiaka CFE, WISEMART solicitors, Ebrone, Asher 4 or any of the top online platform via.
Yo, me da say. We dey ye be shase update biaba and ye be dey benos ya sha center be dey benos. Update biaba because say dem say update no e ban tentem.
Yeah, e ban tentem pa say na o kana. Yeah, update the daily day na yansaka update free home office. Now recent one no drop on the 30th of July 2023, and I think it's a Sunday nature mukoye no employer da obo adie as he said so wame the month of August 2023 empire boss obia so akomadie no ebebem this month here
Amen.
Yo update me see a buy on the 30th of July 2023 no. Yes, Home Office cracks down on criminals receiving citizenship. Mr. Sisubium, Home Secretary cracks down on criminals receiving citizenship. A chair say, Home Secretary, why not you say, Oba Ababe Tofin, a good character, a deep person naturalization or UKR. Sir, obey straight war ye emrane so inti or say criminal record onfa any agro inti ushema sa crackdown ya odibe or chese tougher rules will make sure serious criminals cannot claim British citizenship regardless of where the crime took place.
Wow.
The government crackdown will come into effect 31st of July 2023, with the strengthened rules applying to new applications from anyone who has received at least a 12-month prison sentence. This reaffirmed the government's commitment to protecting UK borders and ensuring no one with a criminal record can abuse the British immigration and nationality system. Nti deɛ Aborɔfo tenten a mekaeɛ no kyerɛ sɛ Home Secretary government no say ɔba abɛtɔfe no, even ɔse from 31st of July free Monday kɔna Monday atwa mu yi sɛ wakɔda fie ase 12 months ɛrekɔ no that means woyɛ criminal, woyɛ foreign criminal anaasɛ wowɔ criminal record. Nti on that basis no ɔse ɔba ɛde ba abɛhyɛ mmara mu anaasɛ ɔba bɛma mmara no mu ayɛ den in such a way sɛ such people no sɛ mopɛ sɛ mo apply for British citizenship a ɔbɛsi mo kwan. Wow. Unless there are exceptional cases. In the say, who read it further, or say the updated rules are stricter and more specific on so-called good character requirements, which are a key condition to be granted British citizenship, and look at whether an individual has observed UK law as well as shown respect for the rights and freedoms of British citizens. The requirements include factors such as criminal conviction, immigration offending, and serious behavior like war crime, terrorism, and genocide. Into the change removed the previous rule where some criminals could be granted British citizenship after a prescribed number of years had passed since the end of their sentence, regardless of the types of crime or where it was committed. Nti Ushema Home Secretary ni epese echese oba betofin imrano about good character. Say unya criminal conviction, unya immigration offending, serious behavior. To say war crime, terrorism and genocide. Pese osi wonka say eye UK help o si wiasima fenemu nyina oba UK kra na ye be ya search. Say bia corona office no wanya criminal record say British citizen there, many wadu say oba ko pebida. Inti character reference, character requirements, na or say obema emu aye den. Sir, obey strictly say even what about UK here when ya 12 months prison sentence obejina so. Edi akacho say wunye obi a ye betumi amount British citizen. Because I say British citizen is a privilege. I say no right to. I say a privilege to the extent say ye pa ni edi be ma. Inti men ye wadu say me human rights say I was say me British citizenship. Inti ye ka say dey privilege yeah, na anase British for mutia mpedifo na anase Home Secretary oda no need me decide say wo me ma wonya British. Bia wa commit crime bi.
But what several sentence we still.
Still I was say there be.
Hey,
Into those who commit crime shouldn't be able to enjoy the breadth of rights citizenship brings include holding a British passport, voting, and accessing free medical care from the NHS. I say I am cracking down on abuse of the UK's immigration and nationality system by introducing a tougher threshold so that serious criminals cannot gain British citizenship. This is the fair and right thing to do for our country, stated by the Home Secretary, Swala Braverman. In the Ushama, why now do say Obema Nyomamu Ayedin?
Wow.
And Kanka Mua Mubesa Munya British citizen.
Wow.
Yo, I know a statement or release here. And only update before say boy. And a biomunso no another update a buyer and no based on a case called Select versus Secretary of State for the Home Department 2023. A court of appeal decision a buyer in chair. Ama omo anticipate say ABA because Supreme Court. Case in here day is about say post-Brexit spouse aren't protected by the withdrawal agreement according to the Court of Appeal. What confirm. Inti wuni EU worry and then it ya many wording say ubetimi abeye EU settlement scheme ni bisa no person mo che.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Who mu dada, that's fine. But say a fei ena wa worry EU ni o say me ba be EU settlement scheme ni bi. Case wey che say untimi enye sa. Oya home office be refuse you. Yo, now these two updates in I feel say this week a beboa yenuanom.
Yo, me da say. A tier for I say update no. The week be a biba na you better so. I next week so you be a fan camemo. Nene, yeah, be discuss a topic about one of the visa route in the end here pa Ghana for here pa. I quite would do everything me afaso. You know my crop for also etimi abakrum ha. I enti ene we have screen as well. Is how to apply for religious worker visa. Religious worker visa. Na say e kire say e ho so e kwan ba akoda ho. I religious worker visa. Enti misro tieniye abusua ai na bia na onipa bi ai wo ho ebetimi afasa kwan no so ai e dia ba UK ha enti we dia yen sebre no yen kokwa na lawyer yen hyase na lawyer yen hyase sa religious worker visa lawyer ka ho pani se ma kra kire eno no yen dia yin ana mra ba so na e masa kwan no
o share immigration rules na ye de ehwe efa omo a obeba UK ha se ompese omo ebetna ha efa se ne religion se obetumi abaha ase osofo anase ase obi a oye nyame induma.
Okay.
Inti eno ena ma home office eye nhihye se okay e wo se ye hihye bibi ma asofo fo pese omba ebeye adwuma wa ha efa nyame dwuma na se obi a owa asori numu a onye sofo but o play part e wo asori numu as a broni beka ne say religious worker obetimi a catechist obetimi aye obi o preach ne otonyom ne nasefo no no so omo hihye samra na ema omo nti e ka religious worker visa na comprise of two things. One, religious worker oye tier 2 minister of religion visa and only for those with a key leading role in their faith-based organization or religious order in the UK. And yes, our temporary religious worker visa for those who support the activities of religious institutions in the UK by working in a religious order or filling non-pastoral placements. Ni nyina no ehun emra ewo ho. But they are a tier ni say no omo person omo simplify immigration rules no. So on that basis no ama omo chichem bibi requirements say meet eligibility requirements, suitability requirements and then as if for inti yehwe so far maka two rules minister of religion and religious worker no. Yeah, ba share eligibility requirement and resident labor consideration and ebiomso English language and ebiomso the maximum stay to stay and switching immigration categories and cooling off period no so mo obi and dependent so to me the dependent aba Into here under these topics now, far BBFN eligibility employment now. Under the Minister of Religion, or say work must be of a mainly pastoral nature, such as leading a congregation in performing rites and rituals and preaching the essentials of the creed. This includes, but is not limited to, religious leaders such as priests, imams, rabbis, and other ministers of religion. Under the Minister of Religion, Tier 2. And I found religious worker now, eligibility employment in a year, work can involve performing religious duties to support the activities of religious institutions and can be either pastoral or non-pastoral. It can include working in a religious order. Ministers of religion cannot be sponsored under the religious worker. Because the entire omo kasa and say sunsunye wom ebi wo ho a unidi COS. Your COS says so far abeye common name or
certificate of sponsorship.
Better. Inti no share Minister of Religion now share sa religious worker now or say applicants under both routes must be sponsored by a licensed religious sponsor in the UK and issue with a valid certificate of sponsorship for their role. Into the certificate of sponsorship must confirm that the applicant is being sponsored for work that is eligible under their chosen right. For ministers of religion, this cannot involve mainly non-pastoral duties, such as school teaching and clerical work, which should instead be sponsored under the religious worker route. Mostly, they want us to say, no matter how, not to say they wouldn't get the sponsorship, but you have to get the sponsorship for both Minister of Religion and religious worker.
Wow. Lawyer, may I confuse a so is you saying, sir, whether you are coming as a minister of religion and as a religious worker, you still need sponsor?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You still need a sponsor. Into what the sponsor will say is was or no license and son our Timmy amount certificate of sponsorship no.
Okay.
Into sorry waha religious organizations waha on make me apply for sponsorship license Now some person more employee will be free Ghana other countries are Omobemba Nipano certificate of sponsorship. But Minister of Religion, any religious worker, and so
okay.
Because Minister of Religion, HSL will work under pastoral duties.
Okay.
And a religious worker can go beyond the pastoral duties.
But the work must be related to religious activities.
Yes. It doesn't mean that you should be a pastor.
Okay.
Indeed, that's the difference between the religious worker and minister of religion.
All right. I think so.
So the main requirement is your friend will be residential labor consideration and also residential labor market test. Ushema and no, when it comes to minister of religion now, you don't need to meet the residential labor market test. But when it comes to religious worker, over here, resident labor consideration, and as a resident labor market test. Because before then, Omo introduce you be a frana resident labor market test. On the basis say, who apply wakoji license as an employer, as a wakoji no license every home office or no.
Yeah.
So we here minister of religion. And I said, we hear religious worker no, we hear religious worker no. A man say advertise it. The kind advertise wo UK ha. Now obi ama na afei there what they call outside UK.
Right.
And the only difference woman no say any role intended for sponsorship under the religious worker route must be advertised for at least 28 days before it becomes eligible for sponsorship.
Right.
Where possible, the role must be advertised in a medium appropriate to the organization's religion or denomination.
Okay.
Because, however, a resident labor market test is not required if the role is supernumerary or the worker will mainly live within and be a member of a religious order.
So lawyer, kakra. Let's say before say you can qualify to recruit from outside the UK. You should have advertised the vacancy first in the UK.
Yes.
So my question is how would they know whether nobody showed up? And as a one I saw catches okay, my advertising, nobody came up. Can they find out anyway whether actually people turn up for the interview or something? How do they know?
Well, sir, Home Office, the procedure and the year Juma. Oh, now we employer.
Okay.
Almost say, per religious worker, the kind advertising. Into who? And Abeka say, okay, my advertising.
Still.
Me advertising and microphone no mobile anymore. Me ninja or
Okay.
And your Home Office the Beka job say for
Okay.
Who now Beka say, although mo qualify no, but still no, you may be intimate for more.
All right.
In this case, you fulfilled the labor test, resident labor market test.
Okay. Resident labor market test.
Yes.
And no need to tell man say advertising vacancy no first.
Yes.
You.
That's it.
Right. That's it, lawyer.
That's what they want you to. Into the next requirement, English language. We also show my Minister of Religion, I was saying we English level language at level B1 of the Common European Framework of References for Language in all 4 components, which are reading, writing, speaking, and listening. To level B2, the component I was saying reading, writing, speaking, and listening.
Wow.
And only a minister of religion. When it comes to religious worker, you don't need to meet the English language requirement.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Religious worker. How about the minister of religion? The same.
You have to meet level B2.
Wow. The religious
level
worker there.
B2
No.
of the Common European Framework of References for Language in all the 4 components. 4 components, which are reading, writing, speaking, and listening.
Right. So, nipa no table of what? Still na under religious worker no obetimi diaba.
Under religious worker no, was he here English bia.
Right.
But as a minister of religion there, I was level B2.
Right. Matia say, this is honor. Anyway, but
yes.
a boy in a way say, it will be the route no bar or here say or acquire in the English language right. You lawyer, yan twaso.
Yo, share the maximum stay so these 2 routes number to me. UK in case of many visa or mobile. for Minister of Religion. Or say Minister of Religion can be sponsored for up to 6 years.
Wow.
And eligible to apply for settlement after 5 years.
Wow.
Into o sponsor no, certificate of sponsor no, a bet me actually say me sponsor for the 5 years, another 3 years, subject to renewal another 3 years.
Okay. Okay.
And I say me 6 years, you know.
Straight.
Yes.
Wow. Hey,
mostly that's what I'm saying.
I'm saying I had there. So you. I say Minister of Religion no visa. I say muye pa. Consultation with brewum. Tia for more for near crocra.
And then no who bet me consider religious worker as well. Because religious worker, no, the other alternative you are bet me switching to charity organization, charity worker as well. I also want to charity worker class with that.
My tippy bet me names also be sao. Now what the lawyer I'm say about next week. I see a baker also. And next week about charity worker and also near also. Abusia for next week. Charity worker visa. We will treat that one. But now the Minister of Religion. Any religious worker visas.
Yeah. Enti usha a maximum stay for religious worker now. You come Minister of Religion. The religious worker now say maximum stay of 2 years with no option to extend or apply for settlement. Enti hono who apply ya more 2 years ewa e was all come back to the group.
Oh.
I know they want me extend it. And also end lead to settlement.
You can't renew it. So
yes.
Oh.
Yeah. And I agree, you can't switch it.
You can't switch.
Yes.
Wow.
In country switch is not permitted. It's likewise the same as Minister of Religion. In country switching is not permitted.
Okay, but Minister of Religion there. It can lead to settlement.
Yes. In country switching is permitted in Minister of Religion.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
Okay.
But when it comes to religious worker, you can't switch. In country switching not permitted.
Wow. And you know, Abuja for Mchazon Copas of you now. Yo, at your point, Sram Brenna, Yabrana Conti, or question be please just call the number on your screen. 0208-133-5876. That is 0208-133-5876. And I said type your question in the Facebook comment section. Na rekai amount. Lawyer, Yantuaso.
Yo, and also I'm sure dependents are more fully under Minister of Religion, religious worker. So in case our dependents are being dependent partner or children under 18 almost bet to me apply no money waba.
Okay.
So also na religious workers so sa who are dependent partner children under 18 almost no who apply or bet me almost apply be.
Okay.
Na one omo aba.
Okay. Say and the religious worker, about 2 years next order you my bar. Mobe draw 2 years no so and say munyina mo back.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Yo, lawyer, you for free na intia no say welcome to Legal Matter. But you want free. Nana, deputy lawyer na.
Lawyer Francis Master.
Oh, hey, yo, that's it.
So be our master.
Aye, na, hey, who are the master now? Who your master?
Lawyer Francis Master, na kase.
Hey, na esa wo no pro so.
We on dey no ba for we papa we all said that the
yo, that's so afraid. Aye, lawyer wa ha. Question be na o ma no.
The me chia on the lawyer na tie for nya. DJ Kevin and when you abre. asɔfo Africa for asɔfo de will say you mu free because so much you must give us some uncle for must saw them. So much you mu visa dada. So mo ka ho. Say you mu free.
Say mo misro.
Ko mo me miracle ma e ma visa de ade no mo de say mo visa. So mo de you mu free. Na DJ KB o say we are say ade ba kwa ya na e ye ni mo nyam share de say. Oba mo obi akọ baabi o. Se bia ni pe wo ya ade ko hu no obaboa o. Na ni pa ne be ko no betimi aboa na ma o. DJ KB o say ya na e ni ji aso due so ba. Ebi na lawyer ya ama me a. Chese me pese me fe na me dana se na me bona baso pa nyame inshallah.
Okay.
Hey,
pa.
message ma boati na ka say na.
There be way o de no ba fo wi a.
Oh, okay.
Wow boss.
Nana B anambua. Nana B UK version. We nye MPP dey no.
There be and they say corruption be. We nye corruption.
Masa misro emeka. Go come misro go come
DJ Bonnie. Tell ya do ntama me kan maka ma yenye VAT dey say o ka wuso.
Yo, Matia say.
DJ Kebra me frada na sepa.
Oh, ye bibi mama ne so wani wo.
Baby, ejuma ma me aniaje pa chese. I had my young because who will be cool be all. Let's say, I am Shani idea because Nippon on walk on the big crack or Yini, if you are Wako Hako Hamia Dada into walk on Yini. He said, watch Sereness or Conesse years, sir. The Jones and I assume Jenny and Nigeria. Yeah, and I'm a semi-ferno Adanase, Yamishano. Why are dear pa? Ipaneso, and your copable singer crana. What on and what would I did not way and I said double Adams dinner would you own who would you I am so what on it what to jam and not on Giacomano with a man for Yaco Pushla and another amount if I can I did another by yourself they say double Adams because last time who do their own dance they say their one refer will be men I'm a timid to have some timid benefit and no crowd them room feeder. And they say who no so recommend you be any pakono so di adanse oh okay odi bakwa kan say adanse a me accept pa say next week ono so so mfre na on kana obi afro so ntibi ono because magia ma bibia yi ama me jobi na ko bia so wabo wo mama no so ayi so nti say I need you some. Last week, so we did dance. On the minimum, but my family friend, but I was saying money due or else. Or not text. I was saying only for the ears of lawyer Francis. And I'm saying you, Matty. Oh, yes, beginning immediately say, I say, the beer, fine, the beer is stable. The beer, a canna, mamma, you need no another Roma. Any Yankopon will in my and so on. Timmy me animal. Right. Ayana or Banwa can be a infinite serious. Maintenance fee and fell form, Nanko say answer. Consultation fee, no, a yes over good to me, I shall down. Yeah, and over company. Call party of four, over company. And intermediate, they make me a country million. Okasa pocket lawyers, your doors pass. Lawyer crack can look at so, Madame Fidia, yes, sir. Wabwa ayenye say na apostle consultation fee ka krebi no ebeboa mo wasoma dey ado the fee say enu muye ukoni bi case for amawa en ye wona ba bia na asem to wa wasoma me frame lawyer na chese wo hu say do say o register na say well you know but wasem ba on dey di no ba bia obe dey obe fa phone wa boa so enti yo
that's a pa na nyamishra say I so I recommend to be na dance there ba na banti baby ebi no ho no ma ya na things so mo ferry so ma be there dance nyamishra wo dey send me a message and I offer how they molding now they dance no I no person send me message by 0790294438 personal mobile at 0790294438. Now there so person media dance media ma you know that's the password for Nyamishra you better on kabim you there bye bye. Wow lawyer I dance no ba na eba enti lawyer we dey try na topic enti to aso we dey my mouth flow no na I move at your own pace.
Yo,
Right, that's it.
Yeah, do see financial requirement, because mostly such an application, home office, per se, or muhunsa at least, the sponsor, for 1 month now, Odi Babe Remuno, because they'll be age man, son of a mousika. It's 1 month, need I was say, pick a crowd.
Okay.
And now, sir, only the sponsor on the bed negotiate, say, only come mousika answer. Now pay bar near TFU.
Okay.
They are the home office in the person who say, so one house sponsor one, I was say my evidence of at least 1,270 a war account tomorrow for the first 28 days. Make car accountant prior to the date of application. Inti men kasa at least cover 2-3 days a may application, my copy Jessica Kessia. There be I was at least work with Pussycano 28 days before say Obabe application.
Okay.
Which is 1,270 pounds. And a biomonso no or say who apply with dependent was say additional of 285 dependent via into young funny say or partner 285 and akola 315 for the first dependent child.
Wow.
And a 200 for additional child.
Wow.
Inti hono mathematics kakrabi wo hono mo. But ube mu lawyer in how ye de be faso na ya advice so actually sika in all no. Say in case say una wo sponsor wo a. And now says a employer and sponsor and the employer no be show bank statement to reflect that.
Oh, okay. Okay, nti how na say employer no bank statement no.
Yeah, who fill it form now? A baby say one house sponsor one and say employer no sponsor.
Okay.
Inti who take say employer now, definitely employer no has to state the or not so the company bank statement best support is say almost sponsor.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Into that's financial requirements because hono ayana omutimi dina so edi refuse. It is best may explain that financial bit for you to know what's ahead of you alongside application fee IHS because such an application will be clear application fee no say clear IHS. Because Obana Bayaria will use health facilities but bear in mind, sir, very soon ye babe to IHS and a pure application fee. But that one ye train the Prime Minister and then above for some modi babe tuja. Because medical boy the last statement of change catch the increment be babe baso. All because public sector no demanded
wage increment,
pay rise. Yes. It's rather unfortunate. Say first now they will use the taxpayers' money. They additional tax to it. But say no. Yes, shifted from that tradition, migrant force.
I think some of the taxes are increasing that, but some say still they can't make that up the money.
Yeah, because according to them, they say at least they are targeting 1 billion from the migrant. They need 2 billion.
Right, because companies tax are increasing from 19% to 25%.
Wow.
Yes, corporation tax. In terms of still most of the actual immigration.
But it's sad though. Something has just already happened. COVID time. Did they want to fill the COVID time? No?
Yeah.
But COVID time, was it whose fault? It's a natural disaster.
Yeah.
It's a natural disaster. It wasn't said by maybe foreigners, maybe migrants or that. So why are you punishing us for that?
Well, I think they think those free income support I'm providing, like furlough, self-employed grant.
They have to give benefits to people at that time. That's why they want to recruit that money back to fill that in.
Yeah. That they are in charge, so what can we say?
Anyway, that's what the financial requirements and English language no matter. But I'm sure other visa options for religious worker. Because religious organizations can also sponsor workers to fill temporary positions on the charity worker route.
Okay.
Into charity, no, I'm saying I may add once next week. Yeah. But provided the work is unpaid and comes within the definition of voluntary field work, which applies on that route. It does indirectly define what the charity worker is all about. Unpaid. So, but since I may go through next week, I don't want to brush or talk about it.
You leave it enough for next week, yeah.
Okay. So in Tusha, I say religious worker can come to the UK as standard visitors to preach or do pastoral work for up to 6 months without being sponsored, provided they will not take work which amounts to filling a role or provide short-term cover within a UK-based organization. Visitors cannot receive payment except reasonable expenses to cover and substance. The Ushama Uber as a charity, wouldn't say the over to pay, but hopefully Ubenya be a fair allowances, ne subsidies, being as if for cost of traveling.
Okay.
But these are American. Let's wait till next week, then we talked about it.
Okay.
Into Ushama, the difference between minister of religion and religious worker has been specifically explained.
Right.
So we can recap by saying, minister of religion is for a person who has a key leading role within their faith-based organization or a religious order in the UK. A dependent partner and dependent children of a minister of religion can apply on this route. Minister of religion is a route to settlement.
Yo, lawyer, you're for free nonsense. Welcome to Legal Matters. In Bacha free.
Bacha from me abosom.
Hey, Masaya, let us say
Nyame adom pem.
Na you can hear now show body san.
Aku yuzu me kaka na mde ni akabet ne.
Yo, lawyer Francis Ohanum, question be na o mano.
Pacho, my question is me kwishia no nkwankwa nua bi ase. Na no ye ka sa fees na any increment na o mo pese o increment o mo to. Na in fact na had them na no work bi say ye betimi a petition. Aye petition. Na petition no ka obi raise money and support because ye be console ni ade nyina na ya bokun de wo ka say ni pa ba na. Say ne ye kono, say ne ye no.
Okay.
Yo, me da say send ye no send na eko wo ne me ebetimi arezi amobia support because enti America sa no eya na asemba ye say emfire but mostly the men who nipa ota rezi pa ne Bishop Pempong Manson.
Okay.
I don't know say unim na
There be o minimum no.
May I recommend it? Unim I mean, I think it's Omega Life or your program or
yes.
But another way, I think sir me want a contact. Until Patrick taking me personal number UI. If we are I'll give back after the program no why I know because I not made in a contact amount.
Sorry because so for the bet me initiate.
I think sir Reverend from Woman's like he's very very popular with those things, you know. Your number is 079 029 44 398. I take it again. 039. Yeah, 079 029 44398. Yeah, after our program of friend na me pad number the mom. Na eja within en chassis. Na lawyer Francis number is on your screen. Wait me I take it. At least you can connect these two people. When you Archbishop Nanya lawyer Francis can masa, you'll be a strong team.
Okay, number.
Oh, okay.
Already, Francis, they one number that.
No, I know.
5 years ago.
Yeah, I know. Okone told me no, because I fish there, bano. Eja, say.
I know what you do. And you say they are made a many material diminution. As I say,
yeah. I no cry because even renewal 2.5 you renewal.
Maybe unie bia obepa abrochi abano ono ebebetimi aka no.
Yeah.
Enyo mu e bakra ni pe time wa hapa ade bo yedu mekoye adwuma mu obi afa me charge na afa dia obi na no awase ya enura nko an ti ne ka ko 2.5 sa tot yi ode ba ko gogu mu e ka empem nan ekọ. Yes.
No na go making very
Ntino ama afa me hwe kwa na afa ne ho me afa na afa me kura me ama me ho kura ko di na afa me de kwa na me tie so ama no ma me tie so 50 pound kura ma no free so a te encounter so ye de bi be count kakra be count so
Be count
we can my kwa ma ba no pepe se me kwaje me 400 da nye ya me hwe me nim sa na ja me yi 50 man so enko yi
all right, yo.
Hey, yeah.
Open it. That's party. You better say China. You want to start an initiative? God bless you. Yeah.
Yo,
bye. Right, lawyer. I'm say you better know bit. See.
Mama Samuel.
Yeah.
Religious worker. Then I feel they meet me.
Okay.
Into share some minister of religion. Into religious worker me a route for a person who wants to support the activities of religious institutions, the UK, by conducting religious work such as working in a religious order or undertaking non-pastoral work for religious organizations. Inti way nyano, although no so bet me do dependent party and the children abano, but it doesn't lead to settlement. Inti that tells you, sir. You maybe a person who are sorry when I will play some activities, be now person who go into that visa now. Who near be Ghana no person any day. But I will say when you sponsor licenses. When you be a bit me a sponsor no sorry I'm more high. But in sorry ne one sabi. Yeah, now before say home office, ebeji watumono, they expecting you to go through some procedure be. I don't know. So what go through and now compare sponsor license now and yet they because they have to look at your activities before they can grant you the sponsor license. Yo, DJ be made us say send them so what so a mommy a program na baby. Send a Danny then no. Say your contact details will be to screen so and also what my TA for share. Now more for illegal services, which includes immigration and nationality, family law, civil litigation, employment, and Ghanaian customary law, other areas of law, housing, and as if we tenant and landlord relationship, at least you bet to me as no share amount. Why?
Okay.
Yo,
yes, sir, that's a tip for and that was lawyer Francis Bosompim. WISEMART solicitors or more contact numbers and I will screen so no you can take a screenshot 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. Lawyer Francis in personal number so 07946 772 439. That is 07946 772 439. And our emergency number no see 07931 411 042. That is 07931 411 042. from any on any of these numbers are ubinya omo I na omo abwao I omo the print house I Dalston and just call any of these numbers na omo direct to omo London to senior one Dalston there almost around the center of London. And baby, I will be it's easy to commute to this to them. WISEMART solicitors senior man minimum for a dear dance here or more almost ferris or be dear dance here no more send a message or most of Timmy Frey and you know air coso in tea. Say unhia more on crata semon qua dia abusia. It is advisable say you get them to assist you rather than say wow be kwa na ako bounce. No ako to ako book hunu because the application fee na ebi will be there na say nam 4,000. Wow, could be new idea 2.5 4,000 pounds. Na ebusia now say the koyena ye refuse na so what to say skani nyina egu. So it's advisable say obehu the professionals na omaboa. One of our sponsors also certified accountants. So here or more number here accountant you can have our number is 0208-226-4933. That is 0208-226-4933. Obetimi after also na almost upward. You will take one message from them and we continue with the incredible map na and incredible yao. Don't go away.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yachiro. It didn't make for certified accountant. And the amawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 of money certified accountants, separate tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what you're company what you kasa. Now what the hotel babro. What is the capudio babro no bushia. Certified accountant. Say about tax refund the what to do. Construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and anyone who hear Juma our temporary workplaces in India. Monfrano, no one is a capudio mama. But the other Quran say HMRC4 at the Cabra what you move wow it come and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humba me ho atwa me. Mudi mpunti yo aba maduma yi.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yachiro. It didn't make for certified accountant. And the amawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 of money certified accountants, separate tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what you're company what you kasa. Now what the hotel babro. What is the capudio babro no bushia. Certified accountant. Say about tax refund the what to do. Construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and anyone who hear Juma our temporary workplaces in India. Monfrano, no one is a capudio mama. But the other Quran say HMRC4 at the Cabra what you move wow it come and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humba me ho atwa me. Mudi mpunti yo aba